Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Let me introduce our team. My name is Rizkina Faradila Putri and my partner
Melinda Ratnasari.
We are students at Manwan Kudus. In this special occasion, we are going to present our research entitled
Non-alumin Innovation of Ninosi Paper Asian Eco-Friendly Vegetable Packaging. Let's get down to our business.
Indonesia's wrapping paper consumption during 2009 until 2012 reached 90 until 92 tons. It is usually used as vegetable packaging. Nowadays, it is reported that the rate of deforestation in Indonesia reached 2.87 million hectares per year. Because of these problems, it needs to find alternative ingredients that have not been utilized, such as cassava peels. Cassava peel which contain a fairly high carbon content of 59.31%. With this high activated carbon, it can be used in the manufacture of sea paper as an eco-friendly vegetable packaging. Nanotechnology can be used for the manufacture of sea paper for vegetable packaging in market and supermarket. Nano sea paper can be used to improve the taste and texture of food, with the principle of reducing water content in packaged food. This can optimize the area of the purse with the help of activation of the materials, so that it can increase the shelf life of packaged vegetable.
The purposes of the study are to find out the best formulation in the manufacture of eco-friendly vegetable packaging and to find out how the implementation of Ninosi Paper Asian eco-friendly vegetable packaging.
The objective of this research is the use of nanotechnology innovation in the manufacture of sea paper using cassava peels which can reduce organic waste for the raw materials of eco-friendly vegetable packaging.
The next is research methodologies. We conducted this research at Manwan Kudus Laboratory at Setika Sendikia Utama Laboratory in July to December 2021. The tools used in this study are glass funnel, bigger glass scissor, glass stirrers, screen molds, blenders, digital scales, IT massive. Materials needed in this study are sodium hydroxide, organics adhesive, mocha flour, and cassava peel.
The procedures of non-alumin. First, we prepared the cassava peels. Second, cassava peels were carbonated in the oven in the temperature of 400 until 500 degrees Celsius. Next, cassava peels were smoothed using a mortar and pestle. Cassava peels were filtered by using IT massive. This is the carbon from cassava peels. Next, we weighed the carbon from cassava peels. Then, we mixed it with mocha flour and organic adhesive. Sodium hydroxide was weighed using analytical scales. Next, the process of mixing sodium hydroxide with aqueous. Once all ingredients were mixed, we stirred using heater and stirrer. Then, the dough was poured over a mold board. Then, the printing process was done by using a screen. After that, the drying process was done in the sun. And this is the result of non-alumin. Next is result anticipation. First, paper thickness test. Thickness measurements were performed 4 times at different points for each sample. The comparison between cassava peels and mocha flours, where Formula 1 was 1 to 9, Formula 2 was 3 to 7, Formula 3 was 5 to 5, and Formula 4 7 to 3. The basic paper thickness result was Formula 4 sample with a thickness of 0.120 mm. This is in accordance with Indonesian national standards of 0.110 until 0.142 mm. it can be concluded with a large mass of sea paper doesn't reduce a large thickness as well.
Second, tensile strength test. The best results was Formula 4 with a ratio of 7 to 3 and the result was 2.15 kN per meter. Based on Indonesian national standard, good quality sea paper is 1.96 kN per meter, so it can be used in eco-friendly vegetable packaging. The last year strength test, the highest results was in Formula 4, which was 436 Newton meter. It is in accordance with Indonesian national standard of 392 Newton meter.
The next non-aluminum technology application is sea paper. The advantage of the sea paper is that it doesn't cause packaged vegetable to become rotten quickly. This is because sea paper product can absorb the moisture content around packaged vegetable. Because in the manufacturing process using carbonation method, they can optimize the area of pores in sea paper, which help the activation of the materials so that it can increase the shelf life of packaged vegetable. The last is conclusion and suggestion. Based on the previous explanation, it can be concluded that the manufacture of eco-friendly sea paper is effectively used. This is because the materials is made from waste that is rarely used and easy to find. Based on the result obtained, the base sea paper is Formula 4 with a ratio of 7 to 3. This makes sea paper effective to be used as vegetable packaging and is expected to reduce the use of wood as raw materials for paper making. The suggestion proposed in the development of sea paper in the future is that it can be added antibacterial through laboratory tests, and also the addition of a perfect manufacturing tools as a new innovation in the manufacture of sea paper as a vegetable packaging. That's all the presentation from us. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.